Hey guys, how's it going? I'm back at it this afternoon for door dashing. Right now I am at my first order. I am at Panda Express here in Novi, Michigan. That one is going to be due in just a minute. So guys, come with me while I go get it. Hey, how's it going? I have an order for Richard H. for DoorDash. Richard H. Yep. Oh yeah, here we go. It is, thank you. Well guys, that worked out pretty good. They had it already sitting on the table, so I grabbed it, and now let's go and deliver it. Hey, how are you? Are you Richard?
Richard, yep.
Okay.
You want to just put it in there?
Okay.
Just lift up the lid, just put it in.
Oh, I see.
Thank you very much.
That was pretty cool. All right, well, the app is going to ask you for a rating. Please give me a 5. Thank you. Guys, that last order was so cool. We had 0 contact, like none. He was able to stay where he was. I was able just to put the food in that little drawer, and he was able to get it that way. That was perfect. Absolutely perfect. I just hope he gives me a 5. Guys, I got another order, and it's at my all-time favorite place in the entire world. Well, at least as far as restaurants are concerned. It's the Cheesecake Factory. So yeah, you guys know how I just love their salmon. So guys, well, I won't be able to stay and talk to all of my Cheesecake Factory friends for too long because I just got another order. Yup, they double stacked my orders. I got another order for Buffalo Wild Wings. The payout is I think $9, which isn't that great, but hey, it's better than just sitting here doing nothing. Oh. Maybe DoorDash orders are over here.
How you doing?
Hey, you work here?
Yes, can I help
Yeah, I'm here to pick up a DoorDash order for Cynthia Yu.
you? Over there.
I'm sorry, what?
Over there.
Over here?
Yep.
Okay, thank you. Hey, oh hey! Say hi to everybody from my YouTube channel. Where is it? Fred. Is this it? Salted caramel Fred. No. Maybe this one is it. Cynthia Yu. All right, see you later. Guys, it was so great running into my old friend Yasmin at the Cheesecake Factory. Right now, I am at Buffalo Wild Wings, so let's run in there and get the second order so we can be on our way. Do you guys, you're a DoorDasher?
Yeah, we're all waiting in line.
In order just to tell them that we're here?
No.
What? Okay, thank you.
You're doing it weird.
So we're just gonna wait in line, and then when it's our turn, then we're just like, oh, hey, we're here for pick. Okay, thank you.
Right.
A little odd, but thank you. I'm sorry, what?
Do you have an Erica? They just call her Erica.
Erica, no. Thank you, though. Well, guys, I'm waiting in line to pick up my food at Buffalo Wild Wings. Now I'm starting to rethink this order. I hope it doesn't take forever and then just slows me down, because remember, I still have that other order to deliver. Do you guys have an order for Cordon Willis?
What is it?
Cordon Willis? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day. Wow, guys, finally I got the food for Mr. Willis or Mrs. Willis. Wow, it took forever. Hopefully I'll still make it there on time. Okay. So guys, this is a social distancing DoorDash order, so I left it right there on the porch. And I'm gonna disappear. Guys, guess what? Guess what? I cooked dinner, or maybe this should be my lunch or something. But anyhow, the point is that I cooked. So let me just show you what I made. You guys know that I really, really love salmon. It's like my favorite. So instead of going to the Cheesecake Factory, I decided to save my money and make a salmon burger. So yeah, we have a salmon burger with spinach and mushrooms and onions and carrots. I put a little bit of shredded Parmesan cheese on top, and in the center is some truffle mac and cheese. Yum. I love truffle oil. The taste is just so delish. And then the other side, that's just the top of my bun. And I just decided to mix things up and just add a little bit of shredded sharp cheddar on top.